The unconditional critical mission, listen to the indivisible mystical. It was meant for you and meant for me infinitely. Even been to prisons to visit. You ask, what would Christians do? Well, some are harassing Native Americans. If God is love, why is hate in the air again? Search for Samaritans in the hood, misunderstood. A savior comes, will he only come for the good? The lost tribe is Shabazz and the second class. God, I see you in the streets where the checks is cashed. Hear you in the heartbeat, hoping the love will last. I know you in the words where the first is last. They try to use math to quantify you. In 2005, you saved lives by the bayou. I know you in the mouth of the spouse singing I do. The most vital is how I describe you. Buffalo soldiers, dreadlock rosters, praying to Jehovah Rapha in the back of cop cars. Even then we knew that love was not far. It's in the passion of the teachers and the rock stars. The Muslim sisters saying Allah you Akbar. It's coming from where Maya and Pop are. It's in the grandchild stare up at Papa. Love is love became the mantra, the montage for creation. We need it in relation when two ships pass. One love is the flotation. It's what God used to put the planet in rotation. It's what the culture used to build a hip-hop nation. From the basement to the attic with cookie show for magic is what we told the world when we said our lives matter. Turn a student to a master, hustler to a pastor. It's why I'm a rapper. It's all that I'm after.